So my kale is rich in potassium, calcium, and iron. One of the soluble is riboflavin, B2. My fat soluble was a vitamin E. My major mineral was calcium, and my trace mineral was magnesium. So I also use spinach, and it also has the water soluble was a folate B9. Also vitamin K for the fat soluble. For my major mineral was potassium, and my trace mineral was iron. So these are all good for your body. Iron is good for your blood to enrich your blood cells, and the vitamin E is good for your skin, and calcium is good for your bones, things like that. So this is why this is something crazy I made. I never made this before in my life, but it looks wonderful.
Great job.